back to my YouTube channel. And for today's video, I just want to thank God for the gift of life. And thank you everyone, to my family, to my husband, to my daughter, to my whole family, and to all my friends, sa aking mga kaibigan, Facebook and via YouTube and social media. And sa inyong lahat, sa mga greetings na binigay niyo po sa akin and sa concerns, sa pagmamahal. Ayan, thank you so much for always supporting and loving Smiling Face channel. And as me, thank you for the blessings, yung mga viewers natin, mga supporters. Thank you so much for always being there for me, for my 4 years on YouTube channel as a monetized. And of course, it's my birthday celebration. And I thank God nakilala ko po kayong lahat. Hindi ko man kayo maisa-isa, hindi ko man kayo mapasalamatan isa-isa, but I thank you everyone. And for today, I'm gonna continue this video by unboxing yung gift. Simple gifts, and I really appreciate it. Hindi ko alam kung ano yung laman ng gift ng aking anak ng aking amo, and may mga simple gifts tayong natanggap, and I just want to thank you everyone who have given me the gifts. It's yung hindi importante kung ano yung nilalaman ng gift na ito. Ang appreciated much is the thought that you have given me a gift. Thank you so much. Simple gifts. Ito, dito po sa aking harapan. Ayan po siya. At i-unbox natin. Ayan, I just want to thank Animix Vlog for this flower, knitted flower. I really appreciate this one because I love flowers. And for this gift, ayan. Ayan, so beautiful. Gawa po yan ni Animix Vlog, ang ating little Ann. Thank you so much. It's so beautiful. Gawa niya sa sarili niyang kamay. And this one, lipstick, is from Ate Mirna. Thank you so much, Ate Mirna. Please do support Ate Mirna, aspiring small YouTuber. Yan, sana ma-monetize din po siya. And matulungan natin sa kanyang WH. And this is from my employer's daughter. Yan, unbox natin yan. At I have 2 red packets. And never mind the laman. I think later. And to my surprise, sabi ko babayaran ko, but she gave it to me. Alam niyo ba kung ano laman nito? I'm so overwhelmed kasi sabi ko babayaran ko, but she didn't insist to get the money from me, the payment from me. So I really appreciate and thank you at the Taste of Elsa. Ayan, thank you for this gift. At sabi ko nga, hindi tayo magpapapayat. hindi na tayo papayat nito. O, diba? Taran! I have tararararan, tararararan. Ayan, galing po siya sa kabilang bangir, kabilang banda. At dinala pala talaga niya sa akin to. This one. O, diba? Meron na akong pandesal overload. You see? Thank you po sa pagmamahal, Ate Taste of Elsa. Salamat po sa effort. Gumawa ka talaga ng aking pandesal. I love this pandesal of Ate Taste of Elsa. Let's check out her YouTube channel. Magaling po siyang gumawa ng mga merienda. At pandesal, ito, nabibake siya, mga kakanin. I'm so grateful and thankful na gustong-gusto niya akong dadalhan ng ito. Alam niya kasi gustong-gusto ko yung pandesal. So I really appreciate Ate Taste of Elsa, and nag-effort ka, namasahe ka. Thank you so much. And thank you for the thought. Ayan. Hindi na ako magugutom mo, diba? I have pandesal for breakfast. And let's see what's this. A gift from my amo. The daughter of my amo. Hindi ko pa siya binubuksan. Thank you so much. I don't know what's this. Let's see. I-share ko sa inyo, guys. Hindi ako marunong magbukas ng gift na hindi siya napupunit, no? Ano kasi siya? Yan, mag-unboxing po tayo. What's inside? Regalo ng aking kapatid ng anak ng aking amo. Parang kinabahan ko. Parang kinabahan ako kung ano to. Tadaan! What's this? What's inside? Oh. Let me peep. Oh! Eto po siya. Yung laman niya ay... Oh my God. It's a leather wallet. Wow. Ay. Gusto niyo mag-order? Ay. Ang cute niya. Meron siyang natural tanned leather. Ang cute niya. Wow, meron na akong leather ba? Leather, how you pronounce it? Ang cute niya. Matibay siya. Yay! Meron tayong wallet. I mean, it's not a wallet. I think it's a purse. Maliit na wallet siya. Quality daw siya. Thank you for this gift from my employer's daughter. Ayan, and hindi na natin kailangan ito. Sige na nga. This is from my Ate Merna. Ayan, meron siyang laman. And from my employer. Ayan. Hindi ko na ipakita yung figure. Charan! Thank you so much for the loving, the gift. Ayan, thank you so much for the gift. From my madam and from my Ate Merna Oriente. This is from Ate Merna Oriente, my churchmate. And this is from Ate Merna Alcantara, our YouTuber friend from Nueva Ecija. And I just wanna try it. Ayan, kahit may kunti naman tayong lipstick. Wow, gusto ko yung kulay niya. I think it's not a dark red. O, di ba? Nag-lipstick. Hindi naman tutorial. We just try it. Gusto ko siya. O, di ba? Mahilig ako sa lipstick. Kung may magre-regalo ng lipstick, charot. Lipstick lang ginagamit ko. I don't have any makeup on my face. Hindi po ako gumagamit. And that's the natural me. That's me. Hindi ko naman sinasabi na I love being with this lipstick. Kahit anong kulay. Wag lang naman black. Ayan. So, thank you for the gifts and for the everything that sa greetings. Thank you. O, diba? Saya. Para merong cake. No, gusto niyo lagyan natin ng candle tapos i-blow. Joke. And that's for all to this video. But before we go, I just want to thank you once again. Kabsat Jane Barona ang nag-effort na makipag-meet sa aking birthday celebration, and Kabsat Aichel and Ate Ams and Ate Merna. Thank you for the time. I really appreciate. Siyempre, malayo tayo sa pamilya and we need someone and we need our friends to at least be with us. And thank you for the time and effort. Ay, naiiyak ako. And sa pa-cake nyo, thank you so much. Diba? Thank you so much. At I really appreciate it. Paulit-ulit ako nagpapasalamat sa inyo guys. And to my family, Oliver, my husband, my loves. And Unika Iha, Shina Olive, thank you so much. Ingat kayo dyan lagi. And to my YT family, of course, Team LC, mega love shout out. Thank you so much for the love and support through all the years na nasa YT tayo. Kasi andyan kayo. Ayan. Kahit na meron man tayong pagkukulang, minsan na nagkukulang din si Smiling Face, si Ading. Thank you for always supporting me, and thank you for the birthday greetings, Team LC. At sana ay kahit hindi tayo active sa YouTube or hindi man tayo nasa GC, you'll always be a TMLC dahil alam natin yan sa bawat isa. We support each other kahit wala tayo sa GC. Thank you so much, and to my ati admin Lakwatcherang Cosinera for the opportunity of being a TMLC. Thank you so much sa mga sa love and support mo sa akin. Kahit marami akong pagkukulang as an adding or as a co-admin. Maraming salamat po, Ate Admin Lakwatcherang Cosinera, and thank you for through all these years for the love and support kahit na maldita si Ading. Maldita! Hindi, I know naman, minsan naman is hindi tayo perfect. Ayan, so thank you Ate Admin Lakwatcherang Cosinera. Sa buong Team LC, Co-Admin Chef Sire, thank you so much also for the support and sa pagtulong sa pag-handle ng Team LC. Maraming salamat po, Co-Admin Chef Sir, and of course, sa lahat ng nasa loob ng Team LC members, nandyan man kayo wala, active man kayo wala, hindi, active man kayo hindi, thank you so much kasi naging part kayo ng journey ko, and it's my special day. I just want to thank you so much, Team LC. And secondly, to my Team Power playlist support, marami na tayong pinagdaanan, and I really thank you sa tiwala, thank you sa pagmamahal at pagsuporta sa ating playlist. Alam ko na marami din akong pagkukulang as a playlist maker ninyo, and I really appreciate na iniintindi nyo ako lagi dahil sa work ng trabaho natin minsan siguro kaya marami ako nakakalimutan, but I really appreciate Team Power for being supportive through the years. Ayan, 3 years magti 3 years na po ang Team Power, and thank you ading admin, kahit na alam ko na hindi ka na po active sa yung YouTube channel. I know na kahit gusto mong mag-support, and ayan, naiiyak na ako. Thank you so much sa tiwala mo sa akin and for holding the Team Power, and I really appreciate each one of the Team Power. Matagal man kayo o bago man kayo sa Team Power, thank you so much for always supporting our playlist, and God bless Team Power, and sana kung may pagkukulang man ako sa inyo, I just want to say patawad, and humihingi ako ng pangnawa. Ayan. Thank you so much, Team Power. I love Team Power. Kahit na hindi po kami active, we're supporting the playlist. We're playing the playlist. Thank you, Team Power. I love you. O, diba? And ang aking bagong pamilya, ang founder at co-founders ng Temokra, Kabsat Jane Barona Vlog, Kabsat Aichel, Ading Glenn. Ayan, thank you so much. Ayun, naiyak na ako. Thank you so much for na-overwhelm ako. Ayan, thank you so much for accepting me. Ayan, sa paglagay mo sa akin sa Team Okra, pag-invite mo sa akin, Ading Glenn. Thank you so much, and thank you for all the members of Team Okra na nakilala ko. Hindi ko po kayo maisa-isa, and lahat kayo na nakilala ko na nagsusupport sa akin. Nakita ko, hindi sa pilitan ang suporta dito, but you can feel yung kung sino talaga yung gustong sumuporta sa'yo. I really appreciate it, and no force for the support. Maraming salamat po. And natutuwa lang po ako na sa maikling panahon, I've been 1 year na po ako sa Team Okra. At I really appreciate, sorry naman, I really appreciate yung support ninyo guys. Ayan. Maraming salamat and more years to Team Okra. Thank you so much. And sana ay patuloy po tayong magsuportahan. Ayan, kung may time lang tayo. At sana ay maibalik ko din yung support na binibigay ninyo sa akin. At maraming salamat sa isang taon, Team Okra. Thank you so much. And of course, hindi ko naman kakalimutan ang Kakabsat community kasi wala po akong sisidlan ng tuwa na nakakilala ako ng mga kakabsat, either Ilocano man yang mga yan, mga kapwa ko po na taga Cordillera, mga Igorot na tinatawag. I really appreciate yung support at pagyakap nyo kay Smiling Face Channel sa inyong community. Thank you so much kakabsat community. Wala man po tayong G's, alam ko that you know that you consider yourself as a kabsat. I always considered you as a kabsat dahil gusto ko pare-pareho pantay-pantay kapatid. Wala po akong hindi i-consider na kapatid or kabsat. Yan, maraming salamat kahit na feeling close ako sa inyo. O, di ba? Feeling close. Gusto ko kasi is good vibes and positive vibes lang po. Ayan, either minsan din, meron tayong mga pagkakataon na not in good mood, but we always make sure na smiling face lagi tayo. Ayan. Thank you so much everyone, to every supporter and everyone who loves Smiling Face Channel. Maraming salamat po. At sana po ay ang ating Panginoon ang magbigay ng kalakasan at blessings sa bawat isa sa atin. Maraming salamat po. And this is Smiling Face Channel. Always saying, ano man ang pinagdadaanan mo sa buhay, ano man ang pagsubok mo na dumating sa iyong buhay, always smile para ang buhay ay magaan. Love, 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 love. Stay positive. Spread love and positivity. Thank you so much. Smiling Face Channel is signing off. Pasensya na po kayo kung may mali-mali akong nasabi. Thank you everyone around the globe, around the world. Smiling Face Channel signing off.